One or two. Like how you asked me about it.
I'm doing one more and that's it.
Alright.
Yeah, I'm getting tired of this.
Okay.
Hope you guys are enjoying the show. I mean, you guys write it. It's called Gasoline and Quicksand. Something I wrote a long time ago. Still means a lot to me, and I know it means a lot to you too. It's tough to stay on top of when there ain't no way to stop it, and there's no one with the guts to go and get it, so forget it. When you've had enough, my friend, they'll say you've hardly just begun. Then once you're ready to begin, they'll tell you that's already done. As if we're many-legged insects intertwined through strings of fate, which through taught science tends to dissect random beauty we've created. Or is the flavor gasoline, which for a high some addict licks to feel forces he's not seen until his themes of life seem sick? And when you've had enough, my friend, they'll say you've hardly just begun. And once you're ready to begin, they'll tell you that's already done. Thank you. Hey, that was kind of fun. I feel we really bonded.
Thanks, man.
Yeah, well, that was, I gave it my best.
Nice job.
Yeah. See, I'd like to see somebody else do it outside of Brett.
Well, here's the printed words right here. I'm going to leave these. Actually, I'll put both piles over here. Put them right here at the end of the press bed. You guys want to grab one on your way out? Show's over, but it doesn't mean you got to go. Hi, here. You're looking Joe Silly, man. You got to leave. Everybody else will stay.